There are some really important and common, so we see it all the time, fractions and percents we use in real life. This video will go over those. If we have a cake and we cut it into two pieces and we take one piece, that's 1 out of 2. That's half the cake, which is 50%. So we can describe this as a half. If we take, let's use the same cake, same size. This time we cut it into 3 pieces, and we take one piece. This is red. This is 1/3, which is about 33%. It's 33.3333. That's a third. If we take our cake and we cut it into 4 pieces, and we take one slice, that's 1/4, which is exactly 25%. So that's 1/4. We'll look at 2 more. If we divide something into 5 pieces, and we take one piece, that's 1/5. 1/5 is 20%. By the way, how do we know this? Well, 1/5 is 1 divided by 5, which is 0.20, which is 20%. Finally, if we have 10 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we take one piece, that's 1/10. 1 divided by 10 is 0.10, which is 10%. How is this useful? Well, here's some examples. Let's say that somebody has a budget of $1,800 a month, and we know that they spend 20% of the budget on food. That's quite a bit. Well, how much is that? Well, 20% of 1,800. We could do 1,800 divided by 100 for the percent times 20. That works. Or we can just realize that 20% is 1/5. So it's really just 1,800 divided by 5. That gives us 360. Now, a student might say, well, for this one, I still have to use a calculator. Well, actually, you might not have to. Here's why. Let's say the student spends 10% on transportation. Well, 10%, that's 1,800 divided by 10. That's 1/10 is 10%. That's 180. We just take away a 0. 1,800 divided by 10 is just 180. Well, if 1,800 divided by 10 is 180, 10% is 180, 20% is twice that. 180 plus 180 would be 360. One final example. Let's say that in a particular school, there are 326 students at school in one day, and we know 50% speak Spanish. How many speak Spanish? 50%, we know it's just a half. So it's really just 326 divided by 2. And when you divide, you should get 163. So 163 students speak Spanish. That's it for today.